What is up, everybody? This is Chachi the Plumber, and in today's video we are doing all the inside work for the new water line coming into my house. You're probably wondering, Chachi, why are you running a water line to your house, man? Well, the reason for this was our water meter wasn't able to be read by the water district, and the curb stop was apparently older than my boss, so it was not able to be shut. So we had to run a new line into my house with a new curb stop so we could spin the water meter. Here I am soldering the PEX adapter to the piece of copper. My guys Carlos and Walter ran this PEX line to where the water meter is a week ago. Because this is an old house, the water meter was in an odd spot, so we figured it out. We figured out what to do like we always do. So here I am making the connection from the copper water line coming from the street into the PEX line, which goes straight to the water meter. Just double check that all the pieces are crimped correctly, and we're good to go. Here I am disassembling the water meter. And I'm gonna put two valves, one after and one before the water meter, so we don't have to do this again. Here I am putting the old water meter ear back onto the water meter with a female ProPress adapter. And right here, you're probably wondering, Chachi, what are you doing with that PEX pipe? Well, I'm just measuring out how long the piece of copper pipe should be. So I got my measurement, and here's the new piece of copper that I cut to size. Put everything together, and we're gonna ProPress this baby up, and we're all set, man. Just want to say happy birthday to Vinny Iannucci, my master, my trainer, and my mentor. Vinny, I love you, bro. If you're watching this, if you're hearing this, I hope you had a great birthday. 35 never looked so good. Yeah, it's not actually 35. So I turned the water on, and no leaks, that's what we like to see, and that's it. Oh wait, actually we have to, don't forget to ground your pipe. this is for the electricity. This is where the house gets grounded to. Pretty sure. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a great day and goodbye.